So when you go out to dinner, getting a salad is the healthiest choice you can make, right? Not so much. When I studied this a little bit, I was shocked. Now, I got to explain something to you. If you go out to have a salad, typically if you have an entree salad, that's pretty much all you're going to have. So take the average American intake that they recommend of approximately 2,000 calories per day. Here's a shocker for you. The average salad that you get at a restaurant, I'm going to run through the names and the contents real quick here, is about 750 to 1,000 calories, sometimes 1,200. So half your daily intake is going to come from that salad. Great choice. You got some fiber there, you got some greens there, a lot of nutritional stuff there, the vitamins, nutrients, I get it. But don't think that just because you're eating a salad, you're eating healthy, because shockingly, it might be the burger, if you don't go crazy with the condiments and no french fries, but if you go with the burger and don't load it up too much, you're only talking about half the number of calories, believe it or not. Now, you're getting a lot more fat with the burger, I get that, but with some of the salads, you're getting some fat too. So let's go through this real quick. I was shocked. I didn't know this. My favorite Chick-fil-A salad, and it is an entree salad for me when I have it, is about 800 calories by the time you get done with the spicy Southwest and you add the avocado dressing. We always look at the calorie content of the salad sometimes on the menu, but we forget we got to add the dressings, because in each 2 tablespoons of dressing, typically there's 120 calories. Now in olive oil, in 2 tablespoons, 1 ounce, there's 240 calories. So you think about how that can affect the salad, but it's not just the oils or the dressing, which is a big thing for calories and fat. It's also the other ingredients that you put on them. The walnuts, the cranberries, the croutons, the cheese. If it's a Greek salad, the feta cheese, the olives. Olives are very high compared to what you think in calories than some of the other components that go on a salad. But let's go through this real quick. Crispy chicken Caesar salad. Before you even start with the dressing for that crispy chicken Caesar, you're talking about 700 calories. That's before you add the dressing. So you know what's going to happen then. It's going to put up really close to 1,000. Southwest Fiesta salad or a Southwest salad, usually they use some other type of ingredients they use with, for a burrito or a taco, and they got the guacamole. By the time you get done, you got 600 to 1,200 calories and 14 grams of saturated fat and 1,400 milligrams of sodium. So if you get a little, your fingers a little bit tight afterwards, your rings, that's why. People always say, well, an Asian grilled chicken is going to be really good because it's grilled chicken, sounds right. Well, when you add it all up, it's 1,200 calories for an average Asian salad out there that you're going to get, and it's laden with sodium, but it's 12 grams of fat. So don't be fooled sometimes. When you got the grilled chicken, you're also adding a lot of other things like the fried noodles and the almonds and an Asian grilled chicken salad. So it's not always, think and look at it. Here's one, buffalo chicken salad. Buffalo wings, all right. Typically also they use blue cheese on that. That can be a horribly high calorie salad, 1,200 or more, and you're getting about 4,300 grams of sodium. But again, 1,200 calories, that's half of your daily intake recommended. Taco salad, this is another one, same thing. You're using some different taco ingredients in there. High fat toppings go on top of this. This one really can, just the taco shell alone for this taco salad is going to be about 300 calories just by itself, just the taco shell. So Greek salad, I love them. Really heavy in olive oil typically, but also it's not just the olive oil. That's 300 calories. It's the other stuff in there that's going to be adding up a lot of calories. The feta, the grape leaves, the olives, hundreds of calories. A lot of extra things come on with those components. Which again, love a Greek salad, but that's going to be it. And if you get it with hero meat on there, if you get it with meat on there, lamb or other meats, it's going to just skyrocket it. So Cobb salad, everybody thinks that's a great one. And of course, you always want to put grilled on there if you did. But by the time you add the blue cheese, the bacon, the eggs, the avocado, and the dressing, Cobb salad is going to be well over 1,000. So steak salad, I love them. A little bit better choice because steak, believe it or not, sometimes got a higher fat content, but you got a protein there. But again, what happens is what else they add onto a steak salad that adds up, jacking it up. So I hope that helps. And I'm not saying, hey, don't enjoy your salads. I love them. All I'm saying is I was deceived into thinking there was always a healthier choice than other things on the menu. Sometimes, look around. You're going to get your fiber. You're going to get that. I understand that. Your B vitamins. You're going to get all that. If you have a spinach or kale salad, there's a whole bunch to be said for that. But don't be deceived into thinking that you're eating extremely healthy when you have a salad, because you're probably going to get half your daily intake. Hope that helps. And for more information, check out RxHealthyHabits.com, where we have a lot of great tips on keeping you healthy.